This holiday season, give the gift of music with the Roli Piano M. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn piano, a musician on the go needing a portable practice option, or a music producer wanting a compact keyboard for your desk, the Roli Piano M has got you covered. Let's dive in and take a closer look. Big thanks to Roli for sponsoring this video and sending over 2 keyboards for me to review. Now, I used to teach piano, so I know how challenging learning can be, whether it's for kids or adults. But with the Roli Learn app, it's a breeze. The keys light up in sync with the app, making it super easy to pick up. If you've been wanting to learn or have a child interested in piano, this is definitely worth checking out, and we'll dive into the Roli Learn app in just a bit. The Roli Piano M has a simple design, but it's packed with features. At first glance, it's a 2-octave keyboard with mini-sized keys for a compact feel. Magnetic connectors on each side let you link multiple units, and the USB-C on the back handles charging and computer connections. Bluetooth makes it easy to connect to your phone or tablet, no dongles needed. The light-up keys are not only cool when you're learning, they also look super cool while you're playing. It also features 4D touch technology, customizable through the Roli Dashboard app. Here we are in Roli Dashboard, and we can change all kinds of different settings here. We can change pressure and lift settings, pitch bend range, and then you go down here to enable the pitch bend in your different modes. Here you've got 4 modes to choose from. Not great at chords? The Smart Chord feature lets you play them with a single note. Look at that, you can just start writing a song right here. We can add bass. So now you see it added the bass here. Let's go down here. Oh, you can hear that bass, right? For C, let's do C sus4. And that'll only affect the C. We can put a C6th. We can change it to 7th, so it's now a 7th, a 9th, and an 11th. That's really cool. If you really want to learn like different chords, you can do that here inside Roli Studio Player. All right, so say I want to do a chord progression, C, E, A minor, G, right? We can go C as a triad, but we want to do E as a 7th. Actually, AF sounds better, so C major, E minor 7, A minor, F. Look at that. We're playing songs. This is actually really, really cool. Plus, the polyphonic aftertouch gives you greater control over your sounds. So this is an aftertouch device, meaning you press a note and it plays a sound. And you press and hold. The aftertouch adds another sound. Using the Roli Piano M is super simple. Just connect your laptop, load the software, and you're ready to play. For the best experience and to avoid bothering others, I recommend using headphones when you're out and about. Start by downloading the Roli Connect app. From there, you can access and install Roli Dashboard, Roli Studio Drums, and Roli Studio Player. Under the Sounds tab, you'll find additional downloads, all included with the keyboard at no extra cost. The Roli Studio Player offers 5.2 gigabytes of factory library sounds and 15 themed sound packs, while Studio Drums turns the keyboard into a versatile drum machine. Okay, acoustic piano, here we go. And finally, there is the Roli Learn app, which is designed to let you learn piano at your own pace. Now, it is a subscription-based service. However, that's still cheaper than taking private lessons with me or anyone else teaching piano. Let's dive in to the Roli Learn app right now.
For the next chord, you'll need to move your whole hand down, like this. This chord is called F sharp minor. Now that you've cycled through the starting notes, let's add some more in. Your thumb will still play A, G sharp, and F sharp, but now you'll add in C sharp, B, and A on top. Play the new notes with these two fingers. Remember to hit both notes in the chord at the same time.
With all these features and a current price of $224, the Roli Piano M is an excellent choice for those wanting to learn how to play the piano at their own pace. For advanced users, it offers plenty of customizable features, and for music producers needing a compact keyboard for their setup, it could be a game changer. Personally, while I have an 88-key keyboard, having a small, compact keyboard on my desk for quick ideas while I'm producing music is huge. One thing I do wish they had was pitch and mod wheels like most keyboards do. However, with the 4D controls, you can program those functions into the keyboard, so it's not like they're not there. And I get why they omitted them, because that would kind of change from its compact nature and its like scalability, as in you can link them together. But at any rate, it's still an awesome value at $224, considering you get all the sounds, you get production software, and the Roli Learn app, while it being a subscription-based model, is still amazing. If you guys need any more information, check the links down in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.